The equities market resumed uptrend as trading activities closed on a positive note as NSE ASI records 0.18% gain amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed positive. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at -8%. You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, July 29th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 24,693.73 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.881 trillion naira in 3,685 deals. At the close of trading, investors gained 138.76 billion naira week on week as market recorded 18 gainers to 14 losers. Cornerstone Insurance, Seplat Petroleum Development Company, and Prestige Assurance were top gainers for equity, while NPF Microfinance Bank, Arbico, and Studio Press Nigeria were among the top losers. Guarantee Trust Bank, FBN Holdings, and United Bank for Africa were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.98 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 388 naira 75 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 388 naira 61 kobo and closed at 389 naira 25 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC exchange, the NSI closed at 700.82 basis points with a market capitalization of 514.80 billion. The volume of shares traded was 405,530 and 19.90 million in terms of value traded in 19 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on your screen. For the highlights from yesterday, Seplat Petroleum Development Company released its Q2 2020 unaudited results for the period ended June 30th, 2020. The key highlights are that revenue declined by -26.5% to 80 billion naira from 109 billion naira in the previous quarter. Loss before tax stood at 49.8 billion naira, loss after tax stood at 37.8 billion naira, and net assets grew by 8.8% from 554 billion to 603 billion naira. Also, EcoBank Transnational Incorporated released its Q2 2020 unaudited results for the period ended June 30th, 2020. Gross earnings declined by -3.3% to 392 billion naira from 405 billion naira in the previous quarter. Profits before tax declined by 12.7% to 64 billion naira. Profits after tax declined by 18.4% to 48.5 billion naira, and net assets grew by 8% from 688 billion naira to 743 billion naira. For the key activities to watch today, the Institute of Directors Nigeria will host a webinar series on the revised Companies and Allied Matters Act (CAMA) Bill 2020. Also, the Nigerian British Chamber of Commerce Oil and Gas Group will be having its webinar on understanding current global developments and the implications for investment and opportunities in Nigeria. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Do visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The Persia mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.